The Donkey and the Monkey Story. Once upon a time, a donkey lived near a village. He worked hard, carrying loads for his master. But the donkey was happy, thinking his life was difficult. One day, he met a clever monkey in the forest. The donkey said, "I wish I could live freely like you, jumping from tree to tree." The monkey laughed and replied, "Life in the forest is not easy. We must search for food, face dangers, and protect ourselves from hunters." The donkey thought for a while and realized that even though his work was hard, he was safe, cared for, and never hungry. He thanked the monkey and went back happily to his master. Moral of the story: everyone's life has struggles. Be happy with what you have. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.